Today I'm going to show you exactly how to install VLC Media Player on your Windows 11 PC using the Microsoft Store. If you've ever wanted a hassle-free way to play just about any video or audio file, VLC is a trusted favorite, and by the end of this video, you'll have it ready to go with just a few easy clicks. Let's get started right away. First, you'll need to open the Microsoft Store app on your Windows 11 computer. This store is your gateway to apps, games, and tools that are vetted and managed by Microsoft, making installations safe and straightforward. To find the store, click your Start button in the bottom left corner, that's the Windows logo, and look for the icon that looks like a shopping bag with the Windows logo on it. If you don't see it immediately in your Start menu, don't worry. You can always type Microsoft Store into the Start menu's search bar to find it instantly. Once you have the store open, direct your attention to the search bar at the very top of the window. This search function works just like you'd expect from a website. Just click on it, type in VLC, and hit Enter on your keyboard. VLC Media Player should appear right at the top of the results, usually with its recognizable orange traffic cone icon. That's your signal that you've found the real official app. Now click on the VLC Media Player entry to open the app's page. Here you'll see a brief description and some screenshots, but what you're looking for is the button that says Install or sometimes Get. Go ahead and click this button. The store handles all the behind-the-scenes work at this point, downloading the app, getting it verified, and installing it wherever it needs to go. This process could take a few moments, depending on your internet connection and your computer's performance, so be patient while it finishes up. There's no need for you to click through any confusing setup windows or manage complicated file permissions. That's one of the big advantages of using the Microsoft Store: safety and simplicity. Once the installation is complete, you have a couple of ways to launch VLC. Right there on the store page, you'll see an option to open or launch, which kicks things off immediately. Alternatively, you can always find VLC by going back to your Start menu and typing VLC in the search bar. It should pop right up, ready for you to start playing your favorite media files, whether it's music, movies, or even downloaded podcasts. And that's all there is to it. You now have VLC Media Player installed on Windows 11, ready to open just about any media format you throw at it. If you ever have trouble finding it, remember, just search for VLC in your Start menu and you'll be up and running in seconds. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you ran into any issues or have questions about using VLC. And don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward how-to guides just like this one. See you in the next video.